Sleeping Beauty is awake, but not technically. What do you think of spring, Camaro? You're pretty quiet over there. Luke is really struggling to get in the car. Poor Luke. Doesn't turn sharp. All right, got the car in here, wasted no time. Basically gonna quickly go over how we pull this thing out, pull plug wires, pull headers. And once the headers are out, it's basically like throttle rod, pull distributor out. You don't even really need to, just unplug everything. The alternator this year is a little bit different. So we got to take the bracket off the frame, and the alternator could basically stay with the engine, but you have to undo the wire, the crank trigger. It's actually fairly simple to pull apart. Well, we would have filmed more, but it literally took like 2 minutes. Get the whole fucking supervising crew here.
Get back to work.
All right. So we're 2 engine bolts away from pulling this thing out.
2 engine bolts?
Yeah, just the 2 front plates.
Okay.
That's it. And then she's out.
Free. Beautiful.
How do you feel about that?
Oh, pretty good.
Yeah. Okay, so we're ready to take it out.
A little more.
No, this side has to come down.
Come down? Oh, fuck yeah.
Just touch it, steps.
Tap,
up.
tap.
Down?
Up.
Yeah, no, up.
Up, tap. Yep. Nope, too much. Too much. Huh? Oh, hang on. I'm out. Where's that bucket of bolts that we had?
I don't know. Okay, so Luke, you want to come on this side? When we lift the engine, push the bolts in for the trans.
How?
So they with your fucking hands there.
Oh, I see it.
Language is a kid show.
It's definitely not. Okay, just watch yourself in case I lift the tranny and it like wants to rip your arm out.
Yep, tranny fell out.
Fuck's sakes. Can't even get your friends to do fucking one goddamn thing. You ask one fucking thing and it...
Fuck, I tried to help you.
Is it close?
No, it's not. It's far from it here. Like, way far from it. Just get the engine out. We'll fucking deal with it after.
Is it lifting or pushing it down?
It's lifting.
You can't really...
What do you mean you can't really?
Can't really move the car back until the tranny's out.
Did you not?
We're good.
Okay, you got that. No. Yep, got it.
Okay, we're good.
Did I redeem myself?
Sure.
Hang on. Fucking rookies. Oh God, watch the rad.
I don't need to ruin 2 of those.
You gotta make Dan think you ruined it.
Hey?
And make Dan think you ruined it.
Has that happened before? This is engineered solutions.
Engineered solutions.
I think you might have to go up a little more to clear the rad.
Oh yeah! Aww. I just charged the battery up and it's being a pain in the ass. Oh, I can't wait. I have to do some GoPro cruising. Like all the other bike guys. Apparently I'm under pressure now. Time. Well, I don't know if you can tell by looking at the fender, or the mount I should say. There's a piece added right there and it's crooked. And the plate is also crooked. There's no support or nothing. So this thing was like hanging down or sagging. I was having a hard time telling if the pipe was straight or not, but now! Pipe ender mount 2.0. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be great. And I powder coat it. Same with all the other tool mounts. That thing, the shrinker stretcher. The, oh God, I forgot the word for that thing. Brake. That one too. Gonna powder coat everything. Make it very pretty. And then send it. Well, that's my effort so far today. One in gold. This one is chrome over translucent teal, which looks really cool. Has lots of shine to it. But I had a bitch of a time. I guess the bottom's not flush and I was just like literally just standing it up and shooting them. And when I was trying to, after the chrome coat came out, I was in a hurry to go for Easter supper. And then I was trying to like sit it down without moving it from the thing that was hanging. It just wouldn't fucking go. So yeah, I stuck my glove in there, but the tool's gonna be mounted over that, so you won't see it, but that cleans stuff up. Now I could mount stuff and get ready for roll cage. Roll cage stuff. Alright, just did an oil change under Ivy's hood and damn, it's dirty. I don't know where she been, but God, she dirty. I'm talking about the Jeep, not Ivy. Come on, guys. Anyways, quick before and after. Anyways, it's gonna take a while before this all goes away, but tire shine does a nice job. Also does a nice job on tires. Yay.